Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a realistic target and immediate zone. This prevents overwhelm. Once decided, grab 3 labeled bins and place them nearby so decisions stay fast. Begin with visible items on a single shelf or closet section and handle each object once. Keep, donate, or toss. Move quickly. If you hesitate more than 10 seconds, it goes to donate. This builds momentum and reduces decision fatigue, which is why small focused actions beat vague intentions. Once the surface is clear, you perform a deeper sort by evaluating frequency of use and replacement cost to decide permanence. Make sure to measure remaining space and design vertical solutions, shelves, hooks, stackable bins, to multiply capacity without buying new rooms. Consolidate duplicates by keeping only the best version and consider multi-use items first. If something hasn't been used in 12 months, it's a strong candidate for removal. This method reduces clutter while preserving functionality and saves retrieval time later. You finish by optimizing with clear labels and a simple maintenance routine. 30 minutes weekly keeps gains permanent. Once done, store seasonal or rare-use items in labeled vacuum bags or off-site to free prime space. This prevents recapture of cleared zones. Make sure to adopt a 1-in/1-out rule for new purchases so storage stays balanced. If overflow returns, revisit measurement and cull by replacement cost. That troubleshooting step quickly reveals hidden accumulation and stops relapse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.